Have you ever set up a cleaning bath, and as you heat it up, the solution goes from clear to cloudy for no apparent reason? That's called the cloud point, and understanding it can make or break your cleaning process. Stick around because today we're going to be talking about what a cloud point is, why it happens, and some best practices to make sure you get the most out of your cleaning chemistry. Cloud point is a temperature where a solution changes from clear to cloudy because its components start to separate out. It's essentially a temperature-induced phase transition, and this phase separation changes how the chemistry behaves. The phase separation changes how light propagates through the mixture, giving it that cloudy look. Now, phase behavior is all about intermolecular forces. For example, in a mixture of oil and water, there's a certain amount of energy associated with the molecule of oil being next to either more oil molecules or next to water molecules. At temperatures around room temperature, it's energetically favorable for the oil molecules to stick together because it lowers the total amount of energy of the whole system. However, at higher temperatures, the properties of the water change slightly, and that balance starts to shift to a state of more oil being in that water phase. You can think about it like the solubility of a phase changing with temperature. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Whether the solution clouds when you heat it up or cool it down depends on the system type. There are systems that exhibit a lower critical solution temperature, where the solution is clear below the cloud point. If you heat it up to above the cloud point, the phase separation begins and it becomes cloudy. Other mixtures exhibit an upper critical solution temperature, where the solution is clear above the cloud point. Cool it below the cloud point and it becomes cloudy. Cleaning chemistries can come in either variety, depending on their formulation. All right, here are a few things to keep in mind. First, know your chemistry. Check the technical data sheet for the cloud point so that you know what to expect if you plan on bringing your chemistry through a wide temperature range. Second, stay in that recommended temperature range. Those recommendations are made with the cloud point in mind to either avoid them or to take advantage of their phase split properties. Third, talk to your chemistry provider if you have any questions. Every application is different, and your chemistry provider can help you pick the right chemistry and operating conditions to maximize your cleaning performance while keeping in mind those cloud points. All right, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. You can also email questions or comments to askdradam@KYZEN.com. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new episodes. And as always, stay clean.